RSVP, which stands for Responde S'il vous plaît, which means answer the damn phone. The box opens like that. Oh. A lot of cubes. Even the V, all sides have a V with points on it. And come to think, I read the instruction, the points don't seem to do anything. Or maybe they do. Well, good to know. Anyway, this is by Selchel and writer, if I pronounce that right, the people who make Scrabble. Here's the point system here. I think maybe you get extra. I have no idea how it goes. Okay. The main thing is someone goes first, which means the person who doesn't go first really goes first. They take right here in the center. The other person seeds by putting the letter right in the center. And then the next person works from there. I think they have to go in the, on the same row or column. But I don't think it has to touch. Although no one would do it. And use the common cubes here. So I put, now I got the word 2, and that's 4 points. Now someone on the other side has a different point of view. And they put pot. It doesn't make sense. It has letters here. And I can make stop out of it, or pots, and is 2-letter words are 4 points, 3 or 5, 4 or 6, 5 or 7, I'm assuming 6 or 8, but it doesn't say it. But here's the confusing part. You put, someone starts with letter I, you add a P, that's 4 points. They on the other side go nip, that's 5 points, 3 letters. And spin is 6, but then he has an S, and that's 7 for. But then this he puts there spins. He adds an F underneath it, like I could if I have a letter F here. Okay, I'll add the letter N. No, that's a Z. Maybe they're just using the scribbage dice. That's why they have them. I put O-N. The words are only spelled going left to right and down to up to down. So on the other side, this might look different. It looks the opposite, but the vertical looks the same. Great. It doesn't say anything about letters being extra if you make an X there instead. I guess it shouldn't, because then everyone would go with the X. They're just using their own their cubes that they have. Okay. Now why, when you add spins, an F to the bottom, you're formed a two-letter word, which is 4 points. I don't know why you get 5. Another thing is, when you add a letter that gives a person a word on the other side, he does not get any points for it, or do you? And then you go until you get like 100 points or any other number you decide on. It looks alright, but I have never played this. And it's obviously been around for years, and I never heard of anyone 1966. I don't know what I said. It's 1966. Okay. And is there anything? Yeah, once you place a letter, you can't move it. And if someone puts a letter there that doesn't make sense, like that, which does not make sense, the other person really can't see it. It has to figure out what you did by reversing it, and says he can challenge it on that next turn. And if he wins, he gets 15 points. If you can prove there's a word that uses a, in this case a D there, then you get the 15 points. Either way, the letter stays where it is. All right, goodbye.